Welcome to Experts Tech. Today we will talk about how to install and configure Windows Admin Center. As a reminder, the Windows Admin Center is a web interface that permits the administration of the Windows servers using WinRM. A Windows 2016 or 2019 server in preference dedicated to the Admin Center, and then we can be joined to the Active Directory domain. Download the latest version of the Windows Admin Center from the Microsoft website. After downloading, double-click on the setup file to run the installation. Install and configure Windows Admin Center. Select the checkbox to accept the license and then click Next. Select the configuration for receiving updates and then click Next. Configure Gateway Endpoint, click Next. Select the checkbox Allow Windows Admin Center to modify this machine trusted host settings and then click Next. Configure the web server port and then click on Install. Windows Admin Center setup is in progress. Windows Admin Center installation is completed. Click the Finish button to exit. Now launch a compatible browser, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox or anything else. Type the server name https fqdn-admin-center, enter the credentials of an account with admin rights and then click Sign In. Once the Windows Admin Center loaded, we arrive to the server list. By default, the gateway server is added. Just choose the server to access its administration. In the server list, click on plus sign, type the FQDN name of the server, username, password, and then click on Add with Credentials. The server is added to the list of all connections. Click on it to access its More configuration. Windows Admin Center overview. Windows Admin Center is ready to use. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.